Hello, it's Nasser. I'm a Salesforce expert at Kafur Lab, and today I will answer one of the most frequent questions. What does a Salesforce admin do?
That's a good question.
Working with stakeholders, a Salesforce administrator can develop needs and configure the platform. Simply said, they allow users to maximize their use of Salesforce. The person who knows the most about how to adapt the platform to a particular company's requirements is the Salesforce admin. So, here are the 8 most important duties of the Salesforce administrator. The guardians of the employee's sales and marketing data are the Salesforce administrator. Based on the employee's position within the organization, they create each user account and choose the appropriate level of access. The Salesforce administrator is responsible for removing an employee's credentials when they are terminated or departed the company. Salesforce administrators oversee the importance of new leads and contacts on a daily basis. In a large corporation, they develop a standard operating procedure for this process that is followed by entry-level market researchers and data analysts. The Salesforce admin works together with the IT and the security teams at your firm to make sure the Salesforce solution complies with the company standards and its compliance requirements. Users must have confidence in the data's accuracy, and the business must have confidence in the data security. Salesforce becomes clogged when duplicate data and is unable to operate at full capacity. At least once per week, Salesforce admin remove duplication data from their database using deduplication tools like daemon tools or ring lead. High priority updates are installed by Salesforce automatically after a predetermined amount of time. Although, good Salesforce administrators apply these updates as soon as they become available. This enables them to examine how the upgrade impacts their system configuration while testing it under controlled circumstances. Many checks and reports are done by the Salesforce administrator to monitor the conditions of their database. Depending on the demands of one's works, these might be epics tests, field utilization reports, rules by profile reports, and many others. Salesforce administrators are required to maintain records for a minimum of 12 months and ideally 18 months. This involves documenting all error reports and all changes to field history tables. This broad responsibility entails a number of tasks. All issues users have with Salesforce are resolved by the administrator of the platform. Additionally, they train staff members on new updates and welcome the new hires whose job require access to Salesforce. Let's now discuss the skills and the qualifications required to work as a Salesforce administrator. To become a good Salesforce admin, you need to possess the following skills and qualifications. Without knowing Salesforce inside out, a Salesforce administrator cannot secure employment. This involves the ability to teach fundamental Salesforce features, as well as at least having a work knowledge of various Salesforce secondary products and solutions. Email marketing expertise. Using CRMs like Salesforce to manage email marketing campaigns is one of their most popular uses. The segmenting of lists and running of A/B tests to track emails performance is a specialty of Salesforce admins. Data management. Salesforce administrators utilize data management techniques to keep data organized and easy to use. Problem-solving skills. Salesforce administrators are the people that employees go to when they have issues accessing Salesforce. They depend on these problem-solving skills every single day. A strong attention to detail. A strong attention to detail is necessary for both managing large data sets and routinely checking data for accuracy. Last but not least, if you want to know the simplest and the quickest way to ace your Salesforce admin exam the first time, check out the admin certification walkthrough video over here or here. But before you leave, don't forget to click the big red button below to stay updated with all our videos. See you in the next one.